Hello, today I am going to show you how to create a song with Suno using their website. As you can see on your left, you have options: Home, Create, Studio, which is a premium feature. You also have a lyrics box. This is the first box you use. Here you can see I have inserted my lyrics I generated using my Pro membership with Gemini. I have 12 months free of Pro membership because I am a student. The orange circle to the right of the lyrics box is AI Lyrics Generator. You must enter a prompt to use this feature. Next we move on to the style box. As you see, this is directly under the lyrics text box. I also use Gemini to recommend the best style prompt for what my song is about, and this is the style prompt it recommended for me with this creation. And now I have moved on to the song title, of which is again underneath the last text box we used, which was Style. I have decided to call this song Heaver's Ghost. And now, as you should be able to clearly see at the bottom, there is a big orange clickable button that has the word Create on it. Once you are happy with your lyric style and the song title, click this, and as you see further to the right in my workspace, the song is generating. This provides two versions of the song. On this page you can see that I am playing my song I just created. This is an amazing service. If you like to be creative and enjoy music and wish to attempt to make your very own music, this is the perfect platform. And what's best, I'm using the free tier. It's not even cost me any money per month. Thank you. Awesome.